A 20-year-old woman now the head of her family as they deal with devastating loss. Her father died from COVID-19 and her mother is on a ventilator still fighting the virus.
He was on the high power on the ventilator, the highest oxygen pressure they can give him. They maxed out on his medicine and it just wasn't working.
Their family's tragedy, one of a growing number as Northeast Florida sits at the center of a surge in cases driven by the highly contagious Delta variant. That young woman tells News4 Jackson she's now taking care of her brother who has special needs, and she's doing everything her parents would normally do, like paying medical bills.
Tomorrow, Jacksonville Mayor Lenny Curry will join medical experts to address the new spike in cases and how city leaders will move forward. That will be live on News4Jax and on news4jax.com at noon. News4Jax is keeping a close eye on the quickly changing conditions in local hospitals and concerns from medical officials. We begin with reporter Bree Isom. And Bree, you spoke with this 20-year-old who has such an important message to share.
She really does. So neither her nor her family members were vaccinated, and she caught COVID and spread it to all of them, and they reacted very poorly. Amanda Beinborn is only 20 years old, and she now has to fill both her parents' shoes. COVID, the Delta variant in particular, took her father's life on Monday, and her mom's now fighting for her life in the ICU.
A lot of people have that mentality that, this isn't going to happen to them. I basically felt the same way.
Neither she or her parents have been vaccinated. Beinborn thought she was coming down with a sinus infection in June.
I was sniffling a lot. I wasn't coughing or anything.
She got tested, and that positive result would soon change her entire life. Beinborn was only sick with the virus for 4 days, but her parents and brother didn't fight it as well.
My mom had 103.7 fever.
Beinborn took her mother to the hospital on June 29th, and she was admitted to the ICU. Her father started having mild symptoms and thought he had fought it off. But then July 3rd came around.
He called me at about 6:30 in the morning because he's downstairs and said, I need to go to the hospital. I'm not doing well.
When Beinborn took her father to the hospital, he was immediately admitted to the ICU. A few hours later, she took her 30-year-old brother to the hospital, and he was hooked up to an oxygen machine, but was discharged a few days later. After weeks of fighting, on July 19th, Beinborn's 55-year-old father, Dennis, lost his battle with COVID. She watched him take his last breath.
I looked at him, I said, Dad, I forgive you for not being able to battle anymore. You got to do what you got to do. So if you need to let go, it's okay.
Now left with a house, bills to pay, Beinborn patiently waits for her mother to come home from the hospital. And Beinborn tells me that her mother is doing better today. She's finally speaking full sentences, and she tells me that doctors say that she should only be in the ICU for a few more days now. So we're keeping her in our prayers tonight. And coming up at 11, I talked to a local doctor who's fearing that local hospitals are filling up too fast. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.